Can you believe it? It is 10 years today that I became Munye Ezengwa. That day, even Brutus dressed up, and we all had a wonderful day with a lot of dancing. Oh wait, I have a video.
Love has always been the kind of thing that knocked me off my feet. Until you came and picked
We had
me
so
up.
much fun.
Never
Can you tell?
really understood what people meant by wait and see.
All our friends and family came to celebrate with us.
Could be all you and me. Tell me why love can't always be this easy. Time seems to stand still when you're
Even my grandmother joined the dance.
whole life second guessing everything, but now I'm sure it's you that I've been waiting for.
It was a great start for us as Mr. and Mrs.
There may be some days when things don't go exactly how we planned, but I'll always be right there to hold your hand. I promise that
A beautiful day we remember as if it was just yesterday.
oh, with everything I am, just tell me why love can't always be this easy. Time seems to stand still when you're standing near me. I've spent my whole life second guessing everything, but now I'm sure
I totally forgot. Even Brutus joined the dance floor. Looking all chic, with suit and tie.
Tell me love can't always be this easy. Seems to stand still when you're standing near me. I spent my whole life second guessing everything, and now I'm sure
If you ask me, yes, I would do it again. Every single day.
To me tonight, I'll never forget. I'm so happy. Oh my God, you know. I don't know. Who do I go? Now I knew. What do I do? What do I do?
tell me why love can't always be this easy. Time seems to stand still when you're standing near me. I've
Cheers
spent
to
my whole
us
life
and the
second
next
guessing everything,
100 years
but now
together.
I'm sure it's you that I've been waiting